Hi, I'm Christina Ruiz, and this is my Lab 3. My standard is obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about the properties of matter and changes that occur in the objects. In today's experiment, I will be experimenting three different substances, sugar, salt, and rice, to see if they dissolve or not in water. The materials I'll be using is three individual glasses of water. I have put a cup of water in each glass so it can be equally the same. And the next materials is a spoon, which is for mixing each substance, a tablespoon, so I can put a tablespoon of sugar into one, a tablespoon of salt into one, and a tablespoon of rice into one. And which is the other materials, which is sugar, rice, and salt. And I put the rice in this because I wouldn't be able to get it out this bag. So the first material I'll use is sugar, and I predict this will dissolve. Okay, and as you can see, it did dissolve. You can no longer see the sugar, the particles really. It's still clear. And this would be classified as soluble material. The next one we will do is rice. And I predict this will not dissolve. Okay, and as you can see, there's still some grains of water, some rice at the bottom, which it did not dissolve, but it did, however, change the color of the water. So this would be classified as insoluble. And the last material is salt. And I predict this will dissolve as it did with the sugar. They're kind of similar, but different tastes, of course. And as you can see as well, the salt did in fact dissolve, but it did change the color, but it did dissolve. And this would be classified as soluble material. And based on all of these different properties have, um, actually, sorry, different substances, sugar, salt, and rice have different properties, and the property is based on if they will dissolve or not. So, for example, if you put salt into something, you can't see the salt, but you can taste the salt. The salt, yes. And if you put sugar into something, it's the same as the salt. If you can put the salt in there, and taste the salt, but you can't see it. But if you put rice in something, you can clearly see the rice. So it's based on their properties. Thank you.